Hola.
Hola.
We're gonna show you guys how to change the oil on a 2013 and other years, I would imagine, Subaru BRZ. And for other stuff, car related, drone related, whatever else you might be into, that I'm definitely into, that I make her into, you should like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff, all that good YouTube stuff.
Yes, we have also 3 little helpers today.
Yeah.
They are not gonna help at all, but they are here.
You'll hear us shouting for them to keep them around. Here's one of them right here. Yeah, all 3 of them, I guess. So we've got our supplies here, some cardboard, another filter, 6 quarts of oil because I believe it takes 5.5, some gloves, sockets and wrenches, some jack stands, a black lab, a drain pan, and a jack. So you can see just behind the tires, you can put your jack stands in here.
Were you trying to match with the car color?
Yeah, you too.
Oh, oops, yeah. Oh, oops, my nails too. Oops. Why is it making me work? I thought I was
Is it on that metal?
It should be. I guess.
One more? Uno más? Muy bien. So now that's done, I'll slowly release this and rest the car on the jack stands. No, well, if I do it correctly. Pretty small car, low to the ground, so you kind of have to jack it up. What I was thinking about doing was jacking up the car, getting on the stands, getting the oil flow started, and then while it's draining, put it back on the jack and take it off the stands and lower it down some. We'll see whether or not that's a good idea. So get the cardboard for any oil that may drip onto your driveway or garage floor. Got our container here, drain the oil into, and these I usually take these to AutoZone, or I guess O'Reilly's. I know AutoZone will take your used oil to recycle it. Get that under there. I also recommend using some purple nitrile gloves or any sort of latex gloves. If you're not allergic to latex, it just helps keep the mess down a little bit. So I believe you need a 14 millimeter socket for the oil plug. Let's see.
Si ella entró, yo también. Did anybody watch Blue Clues?
So you can see kind of right in the center of the vehicle, like in the center from left to right, there's the plug.
His house, okay? You're in your house. There's a divorce. You stay. You stay. W too.
Yeah, okay, 14 it is. Little break from the oil change. I'm gonna loosen this bolt now, hopefully. Okay. Try to keep my hand out of the way. But you'll always get some oil on you. Okay.
Are you tired, Abby?
We're gonna check out the cabin air filter while the oil is draining.
Are we?
Yeah, we are. It's something easy to do. Down in here, with all of your documents and random stuff. There's a release right here. There's a little release right there. And then you squeeze. There we go. Once you squeeze the sides here, once you squeeze these sides, it should just pop right out, and you can see that is where your cabin air filter lives. Pull these tabs off. Oh yeah. I'm doing it. Oh yeah. That looks yummy. I should have bought a replacement air filter when I got the oil, but I thought I could just clean this one. I'll try to do that. But it's kind of grody. Oh, that's your face.
Yeah, he loves to do that. Ooh.
Just buy a new one. Don't do this. This is just slide that back in. Reattach the cover.
That's my husband. Wahahaha.
Okay. There we go.
Ta-dang!
I'm going to take the car off the jack stands just to try to get any residual oil out. So I'm just going to lower it down a little bit. Okay. This step does not appear to be necessary.
Come on, work! Work!
Work. So we'll get that plug back in.
We have to lock these two up. They were misbehaving. They are puppies and they went and greet the neighbor without our consent. Oops.
I missed some. Now we'll pop the hood, add the oil, change the filter, not in that order. See, dipstick right here, check your engine oil level and quality. Here's the oil filter. It's one of the easiest cars I've ever had for changing the oil filter. And this is where you fill the oil. So, let's take this guy off. Maybe. Right here. I'd also recommend using a funnel, like so. Put it in there. This might be too big. That'll work. STP 0W20. So 5.5 quarts is what we need, so we can use all of this. And don't judge me. I'm using a different brand. They didn't have the same. They didn't have the same brand in the 1 quart of the same grade. So I didn't want to have it shipped, so I just. That's about half. Replace your engine oil filler cap right onto the filter.
Ha ha ha, you need me to help.
It's turning.
Wonder Woman.
Come on, Wonder Woman.
Sorry guys, Wonder Woman has been out of service for a while. Hulk, come on back.
Now I'm Hulk, okay.
I can't do it.
She loosened it for me.
I didn't do anything, guys. I tried.
What we're gonna do is take a little bit of the fresh oil and apply it to the ring around here. And what that does is it helps create the seal, helps keep the seal.
Come on, Hulk.
That'll do it. Let's start it up, see what we got.
It's running.
A couple of tips. Get a bigger piece of cardboard. And when you're initially removing that plug, the oil's going to shoot out further. So make sure your pan is set out a little ways. But then as that flow decreases, go back and move the pan so that it catches everything. Otherwise, you get a nice oil spot on your driveway. Make sure to tune in next time, because we're gonna take care of those dingy looking calipers and make them a nice red that'll complement the blue of the BRZ. And we'll also get into changing the spark plugs, which is gonna be a pain in the ass because they're way down here on the sides. But yeah, definitely come back to freshen these bad boys up. Now she can stop complaining because we're done. That's how you change the oil in a 2013 Subaru BRZ.
In a very sunny and hot day.
Yeah, it's nice out here.
Very
So yeah, again, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that, and
subscribe.
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 Subscribe to our channel, guys.
Smash that subscribe button.